will show you how to replace a disk drive in carrier or DDIC in a 5 DDIC from a impact. First, insert the SAS in the disk drive. Then secure the upper assembly to the drive using the supplied screws. Attach the appropriate drive size label to the label location on top of the upper assembly. Replacing a DDIC for a 2.5-inch disk, the DDIC is shipped with a 3.5-inch DDIC from its seated position in the slot by pushing the latch button to the unlocked position. The DDIC should pop up a few centimeters from its seated position when unlocked. If it does not pop up, ensure that the latch button is pushed to the unlatched. Then lower the DDIC into the drive slot. Push it downwards and hold it down. Now move the slide latch to secure the drive in the drawer. Ensure that the latch button is in the lock position and the drive fault LED is not lit.